All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So, new dash cam, man. This is the ThinkWave. This is the Q800 Pro, folks. This is a 2K video recording dash cam. So, in this video, I might do multiple parts, but in this video, I'm going to show you what's in the box, and then I'm going to try to keep it up here and then go over the settings for you so you can check this out. So, 2K resolution. I'll have a link in the description so you can pick yours up. It's ready to purchase. I just wanted to show you this thing is awesome, man. I can't wait to quality, but this packaging, I really like when companies take pride in their packaging. You might say, well, Jay, it's just packaging. You're gonna throw it away. Still, I can appreciate a company who takes pride in their packaging. So ultimately, this is a dash cam. We like dash cams. And we need a dash cam. So I'm gonna crack this open. If you don't have a dash cam in 2020, folks, you need to get a dash cam. You know me, there's no selling pitch or anything like that. I have 2 dash cams in my cards. So this one right here records in 1440p if you don't know what 2K is. Nice premium. Oh, man, I couldn't wait to get my hands on this. This is incredible. Adjustment right there. Oh, it's so nice. So that's the bracket up top. I'll get into all of this, man, but this is just, oh boy, this is gonna be so nice. It's gonna be so nice. So first, you know what? Let's just take a look at the dash cam. Now there is an application that works with this dash cam. Just so you know, you've got the GPS. You can record. It's got Wi-Fi. This is how you format. That's your Wi-Fi button, your power button right there, and that's the microphone button. This is going to be a button that you press for the center. This is an SD card slot right here. You got a microphone there, your reset button. On this side is where you have your DC power, and then you've got the micro SD power, and that's your GPS module right there. And then you've got some ThinkWave branding down here, and this is where your bracket is going to go. It's so nice. So nice. Let's peel this off. And let me show you what else is in the box. Again, I really like a company that takes pride in their packaging. I really do. So in all fashion, you got you got the bracket here for your 3M mount. And folks, I gotta tell you, when you use these 3M mounts, man, be careful because this 3M mount is going on one time. It's almost like a one-time use. You got a whole bunch of manuals right here. Boom. Yeah, I just read all of that. Check that out. Quick, huh? I'm quick with it. I'm quick with reading the manuals. All right, so here is your hard wire, more than likely. If you're going to hardwire this. Oh, this is your hard wire and your DC. And, man, they give you everything. Get out, man. And here, if you're wondering, it's the second camera. This is what I'm talking about. Remember, this is the Pro Series. That's your other camera right there. Ooh, so nice. So lovely. So nice. Yeah. So this will go for the rear camera. And then you've got the long extension cable right here that you need to power it to the rear. And then you've got, let's see what this is here. It says this is, for your software updates. Looks like, yeah. Your dash cam. Boom. This is you can transfer. Oh no, I think this is how you transfer your data. You can do the software updates through the application. Put your SD card in here so that way you don't have to take it out your car. Boom. They came correct with this, man. I can't wait to show you what's in the box. And here is the dash cam portion to run the wires. Now, I'm going to be 100% honest. While I am excited for the new dash cam, I'm not excited that I got to run new wires. And that's all that's in the box. I'll show you what else is in here. I'm not excited that I got to run new wires, but what I wanted to show you is you get an SD card in the box. Some companies don't do this. Let's see here. I got my glasses on. Oh gosh, I can't see that. It's so small. Man, I'm gonna have to zoom in on that and take a picture. I can't even see that what that is. That's super small. I got my glasses on too, folks. I want to say that's 512 gigs, but I'm not sure. I don't think so. But we'll get that put in. So you get an SD card, you get some extra clamps and stuff, and then you get an extra 3M. So yeah, I'm excited for the new dash cam. I'm excited, you know what I mean? But I'm not excited that I have to run power lines again. I got to run the power again. You know what I'm saying? Because if I want to plug this, that's if I'm going to use this one, period. This is their DC power. So I was going to hook it up here in the office, but my adapter is, I have an adapter to plug into like the home, and it's down there. So it's tucked away somewhere. I got to figure out how I'm going to get that. But this is how the dash cam is going to be. If you put this in like this, it'll lock to one side. If I get the right side. There you go. It locks in place like that. So you've got a front and a rear camera. That's how you're going to do it. You got the 3M here. You're going to power the rear camera with this cable right here, as you can see. It's going to go in right here into this portion of the dash cam. So like I said, exciting. Doing an install for a dash cam like this isn't very difficult at all. And this right here is if I was going to hardwire. Now, I don't technically have to run this cable right here all the way and run it, because right now I have the cables hidden in the car. So what I could do is just hardwire it. I could just go ahead and hardwire this cable right here right to my mirror. Do it like that. But what I'm going to do is I want to give you more so samples of how good this is. So this is how you ship a dash cam setup. This is how you do it. You give it all, man. You give it all right there in the box and give the customer everything that they need right in the box. So after I get this set up, this is part one. I'm going to have to go ahead and do part one because I want to show you the application. There is an application that you'll need to install. You can see this is just incredible. They give you everything. There's an application down here that you'll install where you can record. There it is right there, the mobile viewer. So this is just incredible, man. This is an incredible setup. Running wires to your car is not very difficult, folks. And I have multiple cars, obviously, so I'll probably put this one in my 300 and remove the camera, because the camera system I have in my 300, it's not the newest. It's still a good system, but why not upgrade it with this one? So that is going to be something that I think I'm really going to enjoy. Now, I could possibly just run this. When you have multiple cameras, you run them how you're going to run them. You know what I mean? You use them how you're going to use them. Obviously, this camera is going to go like this, and then the other camera for the rear will be facing that way. As you can see, it's an adjustable camera. It tilts down a little bit like that. So they both tilt and swivel all the way around. The one in the back, obviously, is and if you were going to do like, and I'm saying the back, but you don't have to like, put this in the back of your car if you don't want to, but you have the cables if you need to. But you could actually use this if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver. This is like the ultimate camera setup for you right here. Strong microphones all over. I know it. I've seen some samples. It's like, whoa, I can't believe that this is the setup. So there you have it, man. Unboxing, first impressions of this new dash cam setup right here. I got my glasses on. I still couldn't see what memory option that was. Oh, man. But anyway, I wanted to show you guys what was in the box. And this is just crazy. This is the way a dash cam. I mean, we're in 2020, so we need to have the full complete setup if you want to. And I like that they give you both. They give you the hardwire, and then if you don't want a hardwire. I love that. And there they are right there. So this is kind of like a backup, or this is a backup. So I'll decide what I want to do once I get in the vehicle. But I think I'll upgrade my 300 because in my charger, one of my chargers, one of the chargers has like an $800 system in there, and I don't want to take that system out. It's all in one. Just like this, it's a radar system with camera and all that kind of stuff. So, but for this car, I think I'm going to put this in the 300, and then I'll come back at a later date after I use it for a little bit and give you a review of it along with footage. So if you see some footage in this video, that means I decided to just go ahead and do a quick run for you. But honestly, I'm probably not. I want to take my time, hook this up right, get it all set up, do my thing, and then come back and give you a real review of it, testing the audio, testing the video at night, in the daytime. Try to give you as much as I can in the next video. So it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. This is going to be the new setup more than likely for the Chrysler 300 parked outside, and I'll see you in the next one. ThinkWave. Shout out to ThinkWave. for sending this for review. I appreciate it. Take care.